What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is finally the day where we're going to finish this concrete project. Do pad number 12. I got it all set up. Got all my rebar all beat into the pads, sticking through. Got my wire mesh all set up. Got my bags here. Ton of gravel. That's actually 3/4 ton of sand, because I have a bunch of extra here. I'll have plenty of sand. And yeah, I'm really excited to get this done. It's been a long project. It's a really windy day. I'm gonna be battling the wind all day, but I can't wait to get this done. Wanted to get this done sooner, but had a couple emergency jobs this week, fighting the bad weather a little bit. But today we're finally finishing this project. So like I told you guys, I'm gonna go over everything in the next video. I got a lot to explain, but we're just gonna get this all finished and banged out today. Figured I'd leave this sand in my truck just so I have to do less bending over with the shovel. So I need to get my 2 buckets for water and I'm good to go. We're gonna get started. All right, guys, let's get this done. Beginning of the end. All right, time lapse time. There she is, guys. Pad number 12. Officially in there. I still gotta finish it, but feels good to be done. Alright guys, it's the next day here, and just sitting back and admiring my completed garage pad. You can see some little added touches I put on this last one. My initials, 2024. Got my handprint in here, and got my mom's handprint, and then I got my Luna prints go across here, so these will be here forever. I'll always have my little Luna's footprints. And then in this pad there was actually a squirrel a squirrel got onto it before it was finished. So there's a couple little footprints here and some footprints over here. That's all from a little squirrel or a chipmunk, I'm not even sure. But so I got ingrained in concrete forever Luna chasing a little squirrel, so it's pretty cool. Got my own little custom design here on my garage pad. Let me just take the form off for the last time. Ooh, that's a nice edge. Yeah, this edge turned out pretty nice, all except for this one spot where I had a little bit of concrete leaking out, so I can just fix that a little bit. But for the most part, really nice edge here. All right guys, that's a wrap. Got it all done. I just cleaned it all off. I'm gonna save all the talking and everything. I have a ton to go over for the final recap video. But yeah, there she is. She's all done. It was a ton of work, but well worth it. I thank you guys for coming along this journey with me and, you know, watching all the videos. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this project. If you guys do enjoy these concrete videos, don't worry. I probably got a dozen more concrete projects I have to do around the house. I'll be knocking out one of those here and there, so stay tuned for that. If you did enjoy this project, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the future projects, and so you don't miss out on the final video where I talk about everything. There's going to be a lot of information in that video. Should be up pretty soon. Hope you have a great day. Peace.